how to add a photo on a video in CapCut. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add a photo on a video using CapCut. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a guide, this tutorial will help you step by step. First, open the CapCut app and click on New Project. Simply choose or import your video that you want to work in. Now let me choose this video. Now, after you've added your video, now let's insert a photo. To insert a photo in the video, what you need to do is simply click on overlay and click on add overlay. Here you can find options. Here you can choose various photos, whichever you prefer. Let me choose this one. Click on add. Now as you can see, you can simply choose to put this photo wherever you prefer, like this, and wherever you can even make it bigger in size or smaller. And here you can see the timeline. You can choose up to which you want the photo to be, like this. This is the photo duration. Wherever you want to put it, you can put it, and how long you want to put it, you can put it. If you want to add some extra flair to your photos, you can also even add different animations. And after you've prepared your video, simply click on export button at the top and your video will be exported. And that's it. You've successfully added a photo to your video in CapCut.